understand what is wrong with you two. What is the joy that this stuff possibly brings you? It's fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's not fun. You two have demons you're trying to compensate for. Well, what about you? You're having a glass of wine. I'm not having a glass of wine. I'm having 6. It's called a tasting and it's classy.
Dad, I'm not addicted. I can stop. I just like playing it, but I don't have to. I'll prove it.
Yeah, and if he stops, I'll stop. All right. And if you two stop, then we won't have a problem anymore. Earthy, bold, hint of cherry aftertones.